If you've ever wondered how to upload files to someone else's Google Drive folder, this video is for you. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the exact steps to upload into a shared Google Drive folder the right way, so your file ends up in the correct place and you can avoid the confusion that happens when you only have view access. This is really useful for school projects, team collaboration, client work, or anytime someone sends you a shared folder and asks you to add files to it. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in to the correct Google account. This part is important because if you're signed into the wrong account, you may not see the folder or you may not have permission to upload anything. Once you're inside Drive, look for the folder that was shared with you. You can usually find it under Shared with Me on the left side, or you may open it directly from a link someone sent you. Now, before you try uploading, check that you have editor access. This is the key permission you need in order to upload files into someone else's Drive folder. If you only have viewer or commenter access, you won't be able to add anything. So if you don't see upload options, that's usually the reason. In that case, you'll need to ask the folder owner to give you editing permission. Once you've confirmed you have editor access, open the shared folder. After that, look in the top left area and click the +New button. This button opens the upload menu and gives you a few options. If you want to upload a single document, photo, video, or other file, choose File Upload. If you want to upload an entire directory from your computer, choose Folder Upload instead. After you click File Upload or Folder Upload, a file picker window will appear on your screen. Now just browse to the file or folder you want to upload from your computer. Select it, then click Open. At this point, Google Drive will begin uploading your content into the shared folder. If you're uploading a larger file, it may take a little longer depending on your internet speed and file size. While the upload is running, try not to close the browser tab or refresh the page. Let the upload finish completely so the file saves properly. Once it's done, your file should appear inside the shared folder, and everyone with access to that folder will be able to see it according to their permissions. If you don't see the file right away, give it a moment and refresh the page. Sometimes Drive needs a few seconds to update. Also remember that uploading to someone else's Drive folder does not always mean the file is stored in your own My Drive. It's being added to that shared location, which is exactly what you want when collaborating with other people. And that's it. You've now learned how to upload to someone else's Google Drive folder the easy way. Just open the shared folder, make sure you have editor access, click New, choose File Upload or Folder Upload, select your file, and wait for it to finish. If this tutorial helped, please like this video and subscribe for more Google Drive tips, productivity guides, and simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.